How to publish new items on Facebook Marketplace. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily publish new items on Facebook Marketplace. So first, just head over to your Facebook application, and once you are inside your account, make sure you're logged in and just select this Marketplace option right next to the friends section. Here you can basically sell all of your products as well as buy products as well. Now simply select this people icon right next to the search, and once you're inside here you can see your listings over here. And if you haven't added any listing or created any listing, you can basically click on this create listing button over here, and you can also add what type of listing you are going to add, or like an item, or is it a vehicle, or is it a property. So you can basically choose one. So I'll simply choose one item, and you can basically add the photos for that particular item. So let's say I want to add these soft clothes from over here, and I will simply have to provide the name just like this, and you can also include your price just like this. Make sure your category is under selected correctly. So since my clothing, I'll simply select the clothing and just click on condition. You can also provide a description, and you can just edit your location as well. And once you do all of that, you can simply click on this publish button, and once the review is complete, it will automatically list it on your Facebook Marketplace. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.